that?
A little blizzard. Oh, shoot. Taught me nicely. Bringing in coffee, because we got no power, of course, bro. How are we gonna have power with this? So they're gonna like basically make it inside of the car. My parents were like stressing, yo, like, oh, we're gonna have to get out of here, like no power, bro. I'm telling you, I might be dumb in school, but when it comes to survival stuff, I'm the man. Me and my uncle were shoveling. Said I gotta help the day, so I put my Spidey fit on, and you guys know what time it is. It's beautiful, bro. Some people don't like the cold. I love the cold. It's not even the cold. I love the snow, bro. Snow's the beautiful. It's just the best vibe ever. Now, I know you guys probably can't take me serious with this mask on. Hey, keeping me warm. Keeping me warm. It's bad out here, bro. It's like a blizzard. Look at the wind. Ah! Look at bro. Tornado, bro. It's really bad out here, bro. I'm about to go in for roof.
What are you doing? What is that?
Gonna go make a house, bro.
You guys making?
We're making an igloo. What is he gonna do?
Kung Fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Homemade.
Ready?
Yo, guys, so we're making an igloo now. Hold on. They're trying to go to my grandma's. It's not gonna work, yo. Look, we're trying to make an igloo. I gotta go quick. Look, it's covering all up. Sister's in there working on her igloo or house, whatever you want to call it. Look at mine. Mine was sick, bro. Look at this. Mine, like, the roof was mad high. It was cool. And then I put snow on top of it and it just falls down, bro. Loki put me in a bad mood. Frick this. But yo, I'm not giving up. Society wants me to give up. I'm not giving up. Still don't have power in my house. My parents went to go to my grandma's house to make something. No, it's not stopping. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like in person, in real life, it's like going mad crazy, but like look at my sister. Hold on. Look at bro, I wish you guys could see what it looks like in real life. Holy crap, look at it, look at it. Show you guys my igloo house rocking, or igloo house, whatever you want to get.
Yo, this is fine, man.
Woo! I'm gonna make it deeper. It's not finished. I just want to show you guys what's up. All I know is, guys, I'm freezing, bro. Tom Brady has retired, bro. Now, January 29th, and he retired, bro. It's over. Now, it is really sad to me. Grew up watching him, and it's just like, it's finally over. It's all gonna happen one day. Same thing, like, it's gonna happen to LeBron. LeBron's gonna retire one day. Now, people think I don't like LeBron, like, or people think just because you think Jordan's the greatest of all time, you don't like LeBron. Bro, I love LeBron, bro. LeBron's one of my favorite players, but one day he's gonna retire, and it's gonna be sad.
Christmas trees. How could you have Christmas without a Christmas tree, Mom?
No, fast.
Find a nice fake silver one. And decorate a palm tree.
Oh, I know what that is. That's the 5S.
Welcome home. 5:43, and we still don't have power. Hello. No.
Yeah, fica aí segurando.
Ow, ow, ow. Guys, look how much snow there is, bro. Hold on. You'll see there, bro. Look at my igloo. I'm gonna go finish that tomorrow, bro. I already took a shower and stuff. By the way, the shower was cold, bro. Guys, it's 9:20 and I fell asleep at like 7:30. Look. Nothing's working, bro. This right here, where I play Xbox and stuff. I haven't touched my Xbox. I'm not gonna joke around. I think it's been a month. Comeback power. You know what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nah, bro, it ain't work. But listen, I'm about to go to sleep. Hope you guys have a good night. I'll talk to you guys in the morning, bro. This is just unbelievable, bro. It's 2 o'clock right now. I don't have power, bro. I woke up at like 10:30. First of all, my room is freezing. Dead serious, I'm surprised I woke up and didn't have a purple finger, bro. I'm surprised I don't have frostbite right now. I woke up, I was cold, I had to double up on my blankets, everything. Now listen, I am bored, bro. Look, hold on. Freaking talk about green. There's football games today. I don't know what time each team plays. I don't know nothing, bro. I got no power. Tomorrow we have school. Are you sure we have school, bro? Like, I don't know if we're gonna have school, but all I gotta say is if I make this, we don't have school. But if we do, I will go to school. Yep, that's tough. We have school tomorrow, that is tough. Practicing my form shooting. Basketball, of course, there was no basketball today. Hold on. You know what I mean? Just, it's all muscle memory. Basketball's all about, it's in the brain, bro. You know what I mean? It's all mental, bro. Yes, it's physical, this and that, but it's all mental too. You just gotta know what's going in, bro. Yeah, frick this freaking vocab, bro. My hands are very cold. Can I tell you something? Come on now. Woo! Put an edit on this.
I was sorry about that bitch, but now I'm mad. I was sorry about that bitch, but now I'm mad about that. Cause I'm mad about that. This bitch mistake me for a bro.
Man, I got my own
fight, don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the knee.
Looking like my friend vegan.
Ant. Dookie, you're not good. Yo, why does he have pink on? Like, I know, like.
Nick, just because he's wearing pink doesn't mean he's a being a girl.
Yeah, but they'll think that he's a girl.
No, he's a boy.
He's a guy. Dookie, what are you wearing, bro?
I'm trying to go right here.
Where do you wanna? Where how? Yo guys, I'm just chilling out here. Look at this. Chill. Just chilling out here. It's January 30th. I'm probably gonna upload this today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hold on. We got part. Yo, we got no scoop. Alright, so y'all know what time it is. We're out here making a snowman now.
Oh shoot, Nick, I'm not even lying. Oh, I'll just use mine. No, Nick, go get a hat. Go get a hat.
No. Okay, we're going. It's better than the other one. Put it here, quick.
Oh my gosh, Nick.
What the frick? Yeah, one, we got power. That is what's up. Listen. Let's go, bro. Go. Come on, dog.
Nick, my phone is more important than a snowman.
No, it isn't. Alright. Guys, we're out of here. This has been the blizzard. It's finally over. Technically not over because tomorrow we have no school and tomorrow's a Monday. But listen, y'all.
Oh my God, Nick.
When the power's back, it's over. And it's back, so hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.